If Photopea is showing a browser error, freezing, or not loading properly, don't worry. There are a few fast fixes you can try right now. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest ways to troubleshoot Photopea in your browser so you can get back to editing without the frustration. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and how-to guides. First, let's test Photopea in an incognito or private window. This is one of the best ways to check whether the problem is being caused by an extension in your browser. Ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, and even translation extensions can interrupt Photopea's web scripts and stop the app from loading correctly. On a Mac, open a new incognito window with Command, Shift, and N. On Windows, use Control, Shift, and N. Then go to photopea.com and see if it opens normally. If Photopea works in private mode, that usually means one of your browser extensions is causing the issue. At that point, go back to your regular browser window and disable your extensions one by one until you find the one that's interfering. If you use an ad blocker, you may also want to add photopea.com to the Allowlist or whitelist so Photopea can run without being blocked. Next, if the canvas still fails to render or the editor looks blank, check your browser's WebGL support and hardware acceleration settings. Photopea relies on modern browser graphics features, and if hardware acceleration is turned off, the canvas may not display correctly. Open your browser settings and search for hardware acceleration. Make sure it is turned on. After enabling it, restart the browser and try loading Photopea again. This one setting fixes a lot of display and rendering problems. Now let's make sure you're using a supported browser version. Photopea works best on modern, stable browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Apple Safari. If your browser is outdated, missing web features, or running an experimental build, you may run into errors, lag, or WebAssembly issues. Avoid alpha or beta browser versions if possible, because they can introduce unstable behavior. Update to the latest stable release, then reload Photopea and test it again. Another very useful fix is clearing the site cache if an outdated script is stuck in your browser memory. Sometimes Photopea loads old files or corrupted data from a previous session, and that can cause repeated browser errors. To clear it, click the padlock or tune icon next to photopea.com in your address bar. Then open Site Settings or look for cookies and site data, and choose Clear Data. Once that's done, refresh the tab or reopen Photopea and see if the issue is gone. If you've gone through these steps and Photopea still isn't working, the problem is usually tied to the browser environment rather than the app itself. That means the best next step is to try a different supported browser, restart your device, and test again with extensions disabled. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue quickly. So to recap, the main fixes are: test Photopea in incognito mode, disable or whitelist problem extensions, turn on hardware acceleration, update to a supported browser, and clear the site cache. Those 5 steps solve most Photopea browser errors without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you fix Photopea, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more browser troubleshooting tutorials, app fixes, and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.